But
Yeah,
microphones
you
are
are
clip
doing
like
that.
that. The direction in which the clip goes, you put it in, and then you neatly do this so that it looks neat on your shirt.
I don't have 8 years of experience.
Okay, so he's trying to do it. I mean, they will do it for you in the studio, but in case they don't, you know what to do. Huh? They will put on makeup as well.
Well, makeup is very important, but anyway. Yeah.
You done? 3. You recording? Okay. President Rajapaksa, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
We are very glad that you've decided to speak to an Indian channel, and you know that the Indian government has been very critical of your government. What's your reaction?
Actually, Indians have been our friends all the time, so sometimes we have a negative relationship, positive relation, but overall it's a very good relation. So we are very happy to welcome you all the time.
You're welcoming the decision of India not to back you at the Human Rights Commission?
The Indians might have their own, logic and rationale, but I mean, we like if you have supported that.
But your ambassador in India, your High Commissioner to India, has actually officially objected to.
I think there's
a
clear, miscommunication by the Indian media. But as the president, I would say again, and we always consider India as actually more than the friend, even the brother.
So you think your High Commissioner overstepped his brief by going ahead and saying these things?
No, there's miscommunication which High Commissioner clarified later. I think that was clearly communicated, which I don't want to comment back again because it's, I think, done mainly by Indian media.
Do you agree with the stand that India has taken?
I mean, I have my reservation, but in terms of the relationship, that is only one event. So we have to overall look at the overall India-Pakistan.
But you agree with the central purpose that India is saying that this government of Sri Lanka must take that extra mile and go that extra mile to take that step to show that it is actively doing things for rehabilitation of the Tamils?
I mean, we are doing our best, and India actually on the support of India.
Can you spell out some of the steps you've taken to show that you've done your best?
IDPs have been settled, and we have been showing there are a lot of infrastructure development in North and East, especially with Indian money and Indian government. I recently met your Prime Minister, Mr.
Dr. Manmohan Singh.
And so, I mean, we are doing very well, and actually that has been communicated to India, and India is representing our interests in outside world also.
Well, it doesn't seem to be like that considering the stand that India has taken, but let me accept what you're saying for a moment. I think you're trying to put up a bold front of unity between Sri Lanka and the Indian government. Can we be a little more frank here, President?
Actually, in India is a diversified, I would say, country, so there will be some people who are opposing, not informed, but overall we are working directly with the Prime Minister, the federal government, so there can be, India has a lot of stake to consider and concern in their own region, so that we understand. So therefore, we keep the relationship. When there is issue, we deal accordingly.
I'm not sure what you're saying to an Indian channel is going to go down very well in Sri Lanka, Mr. President. But however, let me ask you, when are you going to be implementing the equal rights for Tamils in Sri Lanka?
We are already doing 50% of our agreed work with our people, because our main interest and responsibility to Sri Lankan citizens. We are doing that, and actually we consider Tamils as part of our society.
But what about those videos that have shown the atrocities committed by your army?
That also is explained. There are these technologies so developed that you can always manipulate, you can make this.
Are you saying that all that is fabricated?
We have declared our position very clear. This is scientifically proven. They are shown as fake. So, I mean, I don't want to go into detail on that because in the overall picture, I will invite you as a credible media channel to come to our country and go to North and East. We will facilitate that, and you can see by your own eyes.
When can we expect actually this to be a reality in Sri Lanka? That you have Tamils and Sinhalas living peacefully together?
We are living peacefully.
Will it happen in your time?
Of course, I mean, now if you look at my popularity rating, it's very high because we are working on that. I'm the president for Tamils and Sinhalese as well, and it's already established by all the people. So we are working, and of course there are issues to be handled, but
such as, what are the issues to be handled?
For example, there are still some settlement to be done. 10,000 people are still in the camps, but also we need a lot of funding and their landmine to be cleared. So we are working on that with the participation of Sri Lankan people as well as international community, particularly to Indian government. And of course, we are developing and we have our own limitation, but I invite people.
If there is one message you'd like to give to the Tamils worldwide who are watching this program, not just Sinhalas, what is it that you would say to them?
Thank you, Shankar, for asking that question. I actually take this opportunity to invite them to engage positively with Sri Lanka, to work positively to win the post-development country.
All right, President Rajapaksa, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. President Rajapaksa, we've heard very disturbing reports are going out in the media. There's apparently some videotape that is playing that shows your brother in very embarrassing positions. Do you know what the truth is?
I have no idea about it. I don't believe in that because nowadays the technology is so developed that they can manipulate everything with the technology.
They're saying that General Fonseca is the one who released the tape to the media, and it's apparently something that he got with you as well, but then he's not releasing that tape at the moment. Is there any truth to this allegation?
Without any authenticated information, I don't want to comment on the particular names and the person involved. But I am very confident that my brothers and my family, they have very high standard of ethics. We are from that kind of family.
Would you say you're personally not involved in any such tape at all?
Me neither, or my family and my brothers.
Thank you very much. Okay.